On today's menu, one of my favorite rice dishes, that's smokin'. This is my delicious veggie fried rice. Lay home ma, I'm Yeung from YoungMenCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Now, fried rice, or Chow Fan in Cantonese, is one of my absolute favorite dishes of all time. But the funny thing is, I never really make fried rice the exact same way twice. It really sometimes depends on what you have on hand, and that is absolutely okay. Now, this veggie fried rice is absolutely delicious and super easy to put together. Use a fork to crush about a quarter cup of chickpeas. Two pieces of garlic, roughly chopped. Half a red onion, diced. One stick green onion, chopped. About a quarter cup of diced carrots. About half a cup of chopped broccolini. Two large cremini mushrooms, chopped. Before we start cooking, this is a homemade chili oil. I made it in the previous episode. It is so incredibly easy to make, and I'll leave a link in the description box below to show you step by step exactly how to make this amazing chili oil at home. Non-stick pan, medium heat, couple tablespoons chili oil. Red onion, green onion, and garlic. Chickpeas. Saute for about a minute. Carrot and broccolini. Mushroom. Saute for about a minute. Quarter cup corn. One and a half cups of overnight rice. Two tablespoons soy sauce. Saute for another minute or two and you're done. Plate. You can now make this incredibly delicious fried rice with absolute confidence. Most of it is really just prep. The cook time is hardly anything. You have this amazing, amazing dish. It's so delicious. I mean, there's really no reason why this is not one of your absolute favorite dishes and something that you just have to make every week. I can definitely sit down with a big bowl of this and just really enjoy. Man, this is absolutely delicious. I mean, there's so much flavor because it's just packed with veggies and it's just beautiful to look at. All the amazing color and the sweetness from the corn, the crunchiness from the carrots and the broccolini. a little bit from the chickpeas. That is absolutely, absolutely delicious. And of course, the best part is that literally does not take long to make as long as you have some leftover rice. So simple to put together, and that is stunning. What an incredible meal. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Be sure to pick up your free ebook that has 5 super easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. And in that same link, you can watch the entire first class of the new exclusive plant-based sushi making masterclass. That masterclass is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make incredibly delicious and stunning sushi right at home. This masterclass you'll really eat up. Of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.